It's beautiful. We had booked a tour for the first time through Get Your Guide, and we were looking forward to it. Got to Page and then found out that the tour had been canceled due to high winds. As we were trying to figure out what to do, we ended up extending our stay and enjoying some brand new scenery over in Lee's Ferry, which is about an hour away from Page. Got to see these really amazing rock formations that were like balanced rocks. Some of them look like mushrooms, some of them look like an umbrella. And we encountered a herd of horses running, and the drone could barely catch up or keep up. So we had a lot of fun with that and had dinner last night at the marina, and then this morning, instead of doing another tour, because it was full, we ended up just getting kayaks just renting a kayak for the day, which from what we can tell is a much better solution because this is a really, really easy paddle and we don't need to have a guide to get to where we're going. So far, we're excited more about this untour than having a guided tour. Want to listen to a guy on a megaphone for several hours or several minutes talking at you? Or do you want the peace that comes from being in these magnificent rocks and just being one with nature? So we highly recommend just getting a kayak and doing it on your own. If you don't want to listen to a guy shouting at you over a megaphone. If that's your jam, then go for it. The Canyon of the Crescent Moon, where the Holy Grail has been hidden for centuries, according to Indiana Jones.
We just need a horse.